What if everything you've been told about skincare, every cream, every serum, every $80 bottle, has been working on the wrong layer of your skin entirely? What if wrinkles don't form on the surface, and that's the reason nothing you've tried has ever truly worked? Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, you're going to learn 8 remedies, starting from good and building all the way up to the most powerful one that actually reach where wrinkles begin. And at the very end, I'll share a 30-day plan that ties everything together. But I have to warn you, there is one thing that most people do in the morning that completely destroys the results. Don't skip to the end, because remedy number 1 is something you're going to want to start tonight. If this kind of real, science-backed senior wellness content speaks to you, please take a moment right now and subscribe to this channel. Now, let's talk about why your expensive creams simply cannot do what they promise. Your skin has layers. The epidermis is the outer layer, that's where your creams land. But wrinkles, they form in the dermis, the deeper layer beneath. That's where your collagen lives. That's where elastin holds your skin firm. And that's where the real aging happens. A cream sitting on the surface cannot physically penetrate to the dermis. That is not an opinion. That is basic dermatology. So what can reach those deeper layers? Let's begin. Remedy number 8 is rice water and honey rinse. Now this might sound simple, and that's exactly why people underestimate it. Rice water is rich in inositol, a carbohydrate that actually penetrates the skin shaft and protects from the inside out. A study published in the International Cosmetic Science found that rice water reduces surface friction and improves skin elasticity. Combine it with raw honey, a natural humectant packed with enzymes and antioxidants, and you have a daily rinse that cleanses while quietly building a better foundation for everything that follows. Use it every morning as your first step. Remedy number 7 is the walnut oil and rosehip oil blend. These 2 oils are not just moisturizers. Walnut oil is one of the few plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids that can be absorbed transdermally, meaning through the skin. Rosehip oil contains retinoids, the natural form of vitamin A, and a high concentration of vitamin C. Together, they signal your skin cells to regenerate. Apply 3 drops of each to your face at night, gently pressing, not rubbing, into the skin. Let your body do the rest while you sleep. Remedy number 6, flaxseed gel. Flax seeds are loaded with lignans and omega-3 fatty acids, and when you boil them into a gel, you create something remarkable. This gel mimics the skin's own natural moisture barrier. It plumps the appearance of fine lines within days of consistent use, and over weeks, it begins to reinforce the skin's ability to hold water at a deeper level. Apply it as a thin serum layer before your oils at night. Many of our viewers have called it the sleeper remedy, quiet, humble, and incredibly effective. Remedy number 5 is something you may have heard of, but probably haven't used correctly: the aloe vera, vitamin E, and olive oil mask. Each ingredient earns its place here. Aloe vera contains asamannin, a polysaccharide that stimulates collagen synthesis. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant that protects cell membranes from oxidative damage, and oxidative stress is one of the primary drivers of skin aging after 50. Olive oil provides squalene, which is structurally similar to our skin's own sebum. Mixed together and left on the face for 20 minutes 3 times a week, this mask works on a cellular level, not just on the surface. Remedy number 4 is the banana, yogurt, and turmeric mask. Now here's where things get interesting. Banana contains silica, which is a precursor to collagen formation. Yogurt brings lactic acid, a gentle alpha-hydroxy acid that naturally exfoliates the skin, allowing everything else to absorb more deeply. And turmeric, curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has been shown in multiple studies to reduce inflammation and inhibit the breakdown of collagen. Apply this mask twice weekly. Leave it on for 15 minutes. You will feel the difference before you see it: a subtle tightening, a warmth, a glow. Remedy number 3 takes us inward, and this is where the real transformation begins. Pine nut butter and raw honey taken internally. 1 tablespoon of pine nut butter, not peanut, not almond. Pine nut contains pinolenic acid, which activates a hormone that supports cellular repair throughout the body, including skin cells. Combined with a teaspoon of raw honey, which is prebiotic and feeds the gut bacteria linked to skin health, this becomes a daily ritual that works from the gut up. Take it first thing in the morning before anything else touches your stomach. We'll come back to why timing matters. Remedy number 2 is the egg white, lemon, and glycerin mask. Egg whites are dense with albumin protein, which temporarily tightens the skin, but more importantly, they are rich in lysine and proline, two amino acids that are literal building blocks of collagen. Lemon provides vitamin C, which is required for collagen synthesis at the enzymatic level, and glycerin draws moisture from the air and locks it into your skin. This mask, applied twice weekly, creates visible results in as little as 2 weeks for most people. But remember, it is remedy 2. It works best when the foundation beneath it has already been laid. And now, remedy number 1, the one that changes everything: bone broth, flaxseed, and black sesame tonic. This is not a trend. This is ancestral wisdom confirmed by modern nutrition science. Bone broth is the single richest food source of bioavailable collagen peptides. Unlike a supplement in a capsule, the collagen in slow-simmered bone broth is already partially broken down. It is ready to be absorbed and used by your dermis immediately. Studies published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry have shown that collagen peptides consumed orally reach the dermis within hours and stimulate fibroblasts, the very cells responsible for producing your skin's collagen and elastin. Add 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed for its omega-3s and lignans. Add 1 tablespoon of black sesame, which is extraordinarily rich in zinc, copper, and sesamin, all proven supporters of collagen cross-linking. Drink this warm tonic every single morning. Make it a ritual. Make it sacred. Now, the 30-day plan. In week 1, start with remedies 8 through 6. Build your external foundation. In week 2, add remedies 5 and 4, your masking treatments. In week 3, introduce remedies 3 and 2. Let your internal and external routines begin to speak to each other. By week 4, remedy number 1 becomes your anchor. Every morning begins with the bone broth tonic. Every night ends with your oil blend and gel. You will not recognize your skin at day 30. But I have to warn you, after you drink your bone broth tonic, do not drink coffee for at least 45 minutes. Coffee is acidic, and it disrupts the collagen peptide absorption process. It elevates cortisol, which directly breaks down collagen, and the tannins in coffee bind to the minerals, your zinc, your copper, and pull them out of your system before they can do their job. So many people try this tonic and give up because they chased it immediately with their morning coffee. That one habit erases the benefit entirely. Wait 45 minutes. Protect your investment. Your skin did not age overnight, and it will not rebuild overnight. But your body, even now, even at this stage of life, is still capable of regeneration. It is waiting for the right materials. You have just been given 8 of them. Start tonight with the rice water rinse. Start tomorrow morning with the bone broth tonic, and come back in 30 days and tell us what changed. If this video gave you something real today, please share it with someone who needs it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now is the perfect time, because next week we're revealing the 5 internal foods that dermatologists wish their older patients knew about. You won't want to miss it.